Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. Today I'm gonna do something special, something that is special for my family because, as you guys may already know, I got married with a Filipino, and also my in-laws from my father's side are Filipino as well. And they've been always talking about this Filipino delicacy, which is a rice cake called Bibingka. And one of the reasons we can't do this here is because it's made in a special oven that has heat on the bottom, heat on the top. And unless you have that oven in your house, which is quite expensive, you can't make it. Otherwise, it's not gonna cook and look the way it should look. So today I'm gonna try out following a Filipino recipe of the Bibingka, and I also made a makeshift kind of oven to apply both heats in both places, and hopefully it's gonna give me a good result. I'll be including the recipes link on the video description below, so if you want to reference, just do that. But I'll also be including a little hyperlapse of how I made all this happen. So watch this next. So I want to show you what I did. I got this barbecue, and then I installed this little mini grill on top that I made a hole underneath to put extra charcoal and wood to create a both heating system here. So I'm going to start here heating it up, putting some charcoal and wood, and I'll show you later. And this is me starting up the grill. The bottom is already fired up, and I'm firing up the top part that will make the Bibingka oven perfect. This is a Filipino here. This is what inspired me to eat this Bibingka. This is how my Bibingka looked before being put inside the oven, and the oven is almost there to be put, so the Bibingka will be put in shortly after. It's in the right temperature. And I'm putting in the Bibingka. As you see, I put it right underneath this little grill top. It's fine there. Therefore, I'm about to take the bibingkas out for the first time to add the cheese. This is how they look so far. I don't know if, hopefully this is how they're supposed to be looking, right? Yeah, but not right now. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video and continue later. After you put them out for the first time, you just put a little bit of cheese. But since I'm a cheese lover, I'm gonna put extra cheese. Alright, that was not. Let's focus. Look at that. Oh my god, I need to take one more, and there it comes. There you go, come on. And we're taking the Bibingka out of the oven for the last time. This is my sous chef This is Chef Madera. He's helping me with this. And that is how it looks so far. Just put them here, okay? Get the other ones too, please. Sous Chef Madera. Do you need this? Oh, language. It's okay, just continue. So what we'll do after you get them for the last time, here I have some butter. We're gonna do this with a little bit of butter. And after the butter, maybe language, huh? We sprinkle a little bit of sugar. Just put it where you want it. I sprinkle with my hand. And the last thing that I'm gonna do, this is my version, okay guys? A little bit of grated coconut, you know. And we're gonna do that with all of them. I'm gonna post a picture afterwards, and that's it. I have to cover my head because my hair is gonna end up smelling like barbecue, but it shows you that that technique actually worked. The bibingka was cooked perfectly on the top and on the bottom. It is brown, and I am so satisfied with it. It's the first time that I actually tried bibingka, so here it goes. So enjoy it, guys. Happy day, happy life. Until next time.